Remote sign language interpreting has a proven success record for deaf and hard of hearing individuals. Karasch Associates now brings this service to its clients with improved availability, easy connections, and cutting-edge visibility. Benefits include reduced costs, available 24/7, 365, ADA compliance, easy to use, technical support, and two-way communication. Your team will want full info on remote sign language interpreting before schedules are set. Call 800-621-5689 to find out more. Karasch Remote Sign Language Interpreting now available. Contact us 24/7, 365, anywhere, anytime to schedule.